Get session ID, transport body. I'm gonna call it actually. Sorry, I keep hitting the mic. What I want to do is make a .env, name it name it server name, and just for the lulls, we'll just make it MCP server. We're at alpha, buddy. We're at 0.0.0. We're not even started. We're not even started, home diggity. Hey, what up, Nikolai? And cursor. Yes, I'm using cursor. Sorry I didn't see you. I didn't have my chat up. I should fix that. There we go. Yes, I'm using cursor. I know how to code. I'm just doing vibe coding challenges. Well, I know I do a little programming. I haven't made a MCP server, and okay, so this deletes it. Okay, so if I do, let's see, /MCP, invalid or missing a session ID. So do I have to add? I guess I add one on it. Hold on. So I make it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 404 not found. Okay. Maybe I don't know what I'm doing here. I did just let cursor write all this. Use buns built-in crypto for UID generation. Okay, got it. Map store transports. Okay. Helper to extract session ID. All right. Yep, this is just to see if we're running. Does it get basic? Test if server's running. Client to server communication. Well, I guess if I posted something. But I want to get session ID from the client. I think that's what I'm gonna let cursor know. The goal is to do as minimal amount of programming as possible and try to get AI to do it. That is my goal for all these vibe coding sessions. See, we're gonna put this in here. What do we want to do? I plan to use HTTP routes. I might need to go back. Yeah, hold on. We need to go up. We need to go up a level. I wonder if that killed the project here. Okay, yeah, it's dead. Okay, no more. It's right here. Okay, so we're gonna close out all of this. Close this here, up in the console now. Let me. I was gonna show you the console, but we'll do that eventually. Okay, we're gonna do bun MCP. Okay, dope. So I need to make sure this here works with Next.js. So I plan to use, so I'm using GraphQL. Actually, is that even what we want to do? Because what I want to do is I want to create a console that, like, the MCP server will be separate, but then users are going to need a kind of like access token or API key to then use the server. How do I want to think about this? Because okay, let's think about this. So for this project, hopefully it doesn't break, but maybe I'll be able to get it to make me some to-dos. So for this project, what is it? Ooh, I got a lot of spaces there. I want the client. I just put this in here just so it has the information. For this project, I want the client and its API to handle the user and user configurations of what because I want to be like, if say they have like the add tool on, I want them to be able to like say, I want the add tool, this tool, this tool, this tool, and then the API key kind of searches for their configuration and then pulls back, right? That's kind of what I want to do, but it seems pretty ambitious. I don't know. Handle the user /auth. What is it? Configuration of tools. So they can turn them on or off. And log in to get, etc. Generate a API key that can be used by MCP server or GraphQL, because I want to see how generate API key that can be used by the MCP or GraphQL server to recall configurations All right, this is what we're gonna do. While that is loading, we need to open up this here. Click MCP, add a global MCP server. User authentication management. Let's see, analyze code base to see what features we currently have in place and what we would need to change. It says we don't have anything. What a dang lie. We guess I need to put the source in here, and we'll put this package.json in here. What a dang lie. I said we have nothing. What do you mean it has no context? Oh, I did the wrong source. I'm a goofball. Let's see. Let's get it. I do. Nice little outline here. That's what I do say. All right, so what is it suggesting? Detailed analysis of your current features in place, authentication and user management. Modern, okay. Prism, okay. Next API routes, your next expose. Let's see. Create a to-do list. Create a file named to-do list.md to allow us to track our current progress. Okay, we got a little move here. Okay, add Prism model for API keys. Yeah, I'm using Prisma with Postgres. Might end up getting a little Postgres server on DigitalOcean. But we can just go straight down the line. Guess we can go here, use the to-do MLS right here, and be like, are there any other features that could be added for a POC of the current console project for the MCP tool server? Ooh. I'm sure you guys are fiending to see what this guy looks like. Hold on. Hopefully it runs. Oh. I don't know why it's like this, but kind of it, right? Oh, I don't remember why. I'll show you why. It's because I need to go to app and we need to go to views. Sign out view here. Need to make sure we got width full, and then you guys still can't see it, but show you on this. Control. All right, I'll show y'all. This ugly thing. I'm trying to fix it, but it don't want to do what I want to do. All right, let me get it like this. Ooh. Boom, let's do this. Making a $1 million AI business right here. Okay. We can always come back to this chat. Ensure clerk user data is synced with the database. Bink! You're gonna use this. To ensure clerk data is synced with your database, you need to detect when a user is created, updated, or deleted in Clerk. Mirror those changes in your own database, likely via Prisma. I probably want the user's ID, right? Like, that's probably what I want, right? The most, right? Let me see. I hope this will turn it off. No, it won't. This music's a banger, though. So I'm listening to Chill Hop's music. Put that shuffle on. Ooh. We don't know what we're getting today, boys. We're on that Matoki. Let them know. Hold on. I wonder if I can hold on, let me do this real quick. Let's see. I'm gonna get rid of it. We're gonna do browser. Okay, we're gonna do another one. We're gonna call it music. We will remove. Yes. We will call a new browser. Call it music. Make it lowercase. I wonder if it'll make me log in. Probably will. It is. Can I just do this? Oh, I guess I could do. I know what I could do. I wish you could. Wish I could like cut it. Client area, cursor capture. Maybe client area. I wonder if it'll let me transform. No. Filter. Crop. Crop. Um, does it not capture any music? Boo. I guess I could have it like this. And if it's not capturing any audio, just say properties don't capture audio. And then we add back the actual audio, right? And now you guys can see when we have music up, what song we're listening to. You know, I might cut a little bit more off the top. Yeah, I'm just trying to find a place where this would work. Sorry to meme you guys. It'll work. To ensure okay, so to ensure clerk data is synced with your database, you need to detect when the user is created. Okay, we already got this. Ooh. Okay, so what do we want from... we probably just need the ID, right? You know... what data would we, other than the user ID, what data would we need for this project? Those projects using Clerk applications and syncing with your own database, you typically want to store the following user data: Clerk user ID, unique identifier from Clerk to map Clerk users to your database users, email, the user's primary email address, created at, updated at. Okay. First name, personalization. I guess this would be good for the database. That way there's a central location. Because alrighty. Let's see. I am using Clerk. Okay, I think I like... but I wonder if some of this is some of this data redundant if it is stored on Clerk. Okay, true. Okay. Let's see. Can we expand the synced data in the future? I've never used Prisma. All right, so we're gonna get started with the minimal viable fields. Let's get started with the minimal viable fields. Okay. Check current schema and update with new user model, or create new modal if one doesn't exist. Yes, please. Let's do this. Run the migration and then set up the clerk webhook. Guess I missed that one. Yes. Should I keep old migrations? Consider removing or squashing migrations in early product if you are about to launch and want a clean slate. Okay. Let's go ahead and update this guy. Good dope. We migrated, we added everything. Next step, add. Where do I get a webhook secret at? I'm guessing I get that on. Oh. Okay, so yeah, let's add this. Okay, we're not out of space, so we can probably do this. We will go to the to-do though. Was it check off? Was it add these next steps in the proper location in the to do? We just keep building upon this. Perfect timing. Perfect timing. It's a perfect timing. Adding a secret. What, does Grok not like me? I hope so. All right. Where do we need to go? Oh yeah, I need to go back to my Okay, so I'll be subscribing, so I need when email created. So probably not email, but probably when users created, deleted, or updated. Then I can't find this webhook thing for the save my life. I know I have a route somewhere. Uh-oh. We got it right there, guys. So I guess the route would be like localhost, like HTTP localhost 3000 / API / what was it? Clerk _ webhook. Invalid. It cannot be invalid. Oh no. I knew this day would come. How dare ye? How dare ye? I'm glad it gives me different ways to handle this, though. What is a JWeb? Oh, JSON web key. Yeah, I just feel like I'm getting trolled here, man. Has me create webhooks real time, clear webhooks, supported webhook events, this, that, the other, sync to your database. Okay. Ooh. Ingrok? What the heck is that? Give that right. Yo, what do y'all got me using this for? Ingrok. How much is it? How much is it? I knew it. They want me to spend money. Yep. They want me to spend that money, boys. I ain't doing it. Crazy. Yeah, we're gonna have to figure this out a little bit later. I'm gonna go play some Baldur's Gate. So we got a little far. We at least got a small server up. That's about it. I guess I could do this one last thing, right? So how could I connect cursor to this MCP server? All right, you didn't answer the question. All right, guys, we are done with the creative